Hey shooters, it's Dean here with the Red Beer Report, and I got online. I've been debating it for a couple months, and I decided to actually buy the AntiMatter wing. We're gonna do some shots back here. I have some stuff set up. We're gonna see if it actually makes a difference. I shoot the 43X really well, but I've done a lot of training with it. In the beginning, I did not shoot it really well. I shot it mediocre at best, but with hand placement and repetition, you get it down. But this is just like a little novelty. It looks like a little novelty online, but looks pretty cool. So I want to try it out. So we're actually going to be putting it on the Glock 43X today. All right, with the 7 sub, and what it's actually doing, it's just replacing this bracket right here. So we're going to unscrew it. We're going to take these 2 screws out. This piece will come off. We'll install the actual wing itself. We'll put those back in, put that screw back in, and we'll shoot it, and we'll see how we like it. We'll see if it makes a difference. We'll see how it fits in and out of the holster. So I have a tier 1 concealment access elite for the 43X. So we'll see how it fits in that. We'll see how it draws. We're going to find out all the things. So first, real quick, we're going to go down to an installation video, and I'll catch you right back here at the range. All right, guys, we're back here with the 43X. First thing we want to do is we just want to make sure our chamber's clear. Obviously, make sure we're safe. Grab the old toolkit here. So first thing we need to do is take the light off of the firearm. So I'm going to grab me a nickel and just use it. It works much better than trying to get a flathead in there. All right, once we get that off, take that off, set the firearm off to the side. Now we'll continue to unscrew this all the way, keeping a finger on it in between. Just in case there's a spring in there or something. We don't want to lose it. There we go. And there is a spring in there, so it's going to face that down so we don't lose that spring. All right, take out these 2. Looks like there was a cotter pin on the back, which was why that was so hard to get out. It's like I had Loctite it before, so it was pretty difficult to get off. Prefer to have it nice and sealed. All right, let's see how that. You see how that fits right in there? Just goes right in there like that. That's how the wing's supposed to function. Feels nice, feels good. Doesn't feel like a novelty, but we'll see. So let me put this back in there. The key. I think this goes on like that. I think the rubber's supposed to do 2 things, really. I think it's supposed to be something for your finger to go on, and also while it's flipped up, that rubber, prevents the metal from scratching your slide. So we'll see. All we're doing, putting it back together at this point. And we're going to push this on, make sure you don't lose your spring. Push this through. All right, let's get it put on the pistol. right, there she is. See, feels sturdy. Does flex some on the frame though. Don't really like that. Okay, let's do a holster check. Okay, a little tight. Goes in. It's just a little tight. All right, we're going first shots with the Tier 1 Access Elite for the 43X with the wing, the micro wing. I have a 3-second par. I'm going one shot to begin with. Let's go. Let's go again. .74. 1.57. 0.56. It's a little high. .47. 1.36. 1.33. 1.23. It does help you get a good grip on the gun to where it pushes it down. That is legit. I'm gonna call that legit. .116. Good A zone. That was 1.13. Come on, we're going for sub 1. 1.15. Come on. Two shots, 1.54. What are my thoughts on the wing? Well, it's cool as shit. It does help you get a handle on that recoil. It does. Is it gonna make you a better shooter? Absolutely not. Would you trust this for everyday carry? That's yet to be determined. Just want to give one more view of what this looks like. You see how that closes up real nice right there. Real slim. Doesn't even really hit the slide. I mean, and it draws well. Once I got my holster, once I got my holster sized for it, it draws really well, and then it really does help you press down on the gun, but you want to be careful with that because you don't want to pull your shots. So just be careful with that, and just remember, slow is smooth, smooth is fast. Slow is smooth, smooth is fast. Gonna grab, pull, a join, bring to your eye. All right, you don't want to be looking for the red dot. You want to pull it to where the red dot's right up in your eyes, where you're on target, and you get out there. Overall goal is going to be sub 1 second, but that's with practice. This is a brand new holster. I think I was able to do 1.06 or 1.04 today, within just like 14 to 16 magazines. With some practice, I believe I'll be able to get that down sub 1, no problem. So just keep practicing that, right? Getting that garment out of the way, grab. Same thing with the mag change, back out. Do I think that this thing is worth $120 that I paid for it? I'd say $120 is a stretch. It is cool, but $120 cool, not so sure about that. We'll see how that flip holds up after draw. We'll see. It's pretty cool. So that's what we're looking at.